Hey guys, welcome to Learning World.
In this video, we will be showing you how to find the digital sum of any number. Please do check out the part 2 as well for a good example.
So we will be discussing about digital sum of any number. So what exactly is digital sum? So digital sum is nothing but adding the digits of number till we get a single digit. Okay, so I'll show you an example. Suppose we have a number 98732. So what is the digital sum of this number? So you simply have to add the digits of the number. So 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. So 9 plus 8 17, 17 7 24 27 29. So 29. But as in the definition of digital sum, I did not get a single digit. So again you have to add these two digits. You get 2 plus 9. Again this will be 11. Again this is not a single digit number. So again I'll add the two digits. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So this will be my digital sum of the number 98732. So sometimes you have to calculate a lot to find the digital sum, and if you have a number something like 358 power 46 and you are asked to find the digital sum of the number, so it is quite difficult to find. So I'll show you a method where you can find the digital sum easily. I'll show you that digital sum of digital sum of numbers in AP with common difference 9 will be same. So for example, if I take 1, so with common difference 9, the next term in AP will be 10 and the next term will be 19. So next term will be 28 and so on. So you can see the digital sum of 1 is 1, digital sum of 10 is 1 plus 0, that is again 1. Digital sum of 19 is 1 plus 9 10, and 10 will again be 1. Similarly 28, again you will get 10 and the digital sum is 1. So we will be using this method to find the digital sum of any number. So let me take another small example. So if I take 34, number 34, so digital sum is 7. So if I add 9 to this, my digital sum will again be 4 plus 3 7. Again if I add 9 to this, I will get 52 and again my digital sum is 7. So we'll be using this method to find the digital sum of any number. Okay, we have to remember one small thing. So any number, if you take any number, find the remainder with the quotient 9, and the remainder will be the digital sum. So in case if you get 0, if the remainder is 0, then the digital sum of the number is 9. So you have to remember this. So if you take any number, find its remainder with respect to 9, and that will be giving you the digital sum of the number. So if you get 0 as a remainder, then the digital sum of the number is 9. Okay. So for example, if you take 18, the digital sum is 9. So if I take the remainder of 18 with respect to 9, it is obviously 0 because 18 is perfectly divisible with 9. Okay. So we'll take a good example here. So if I am asked, as I have shown in the earlier part of the video, if I am asked to find the digital sum of the number 358 power 46. So as I said, you have to just find the remainder with respect to 9. So we'll be using as 358 and 9 are co-primes, so we can use the Euler's remainder theorem to find the remainder of this number. So 358, this can be written as 358 power 46 by Euler number of 9 remainder by 9 remainder. So Euler number of 9 is 9, and what are the factors of 9 apart from 1? So 3. 3 is the only factor. So 9 into 1 minus 1 by 3. So that will be 6. So Euler number of 9 is 6. So we'll substitute 6 in this value and find the remainder with respect to 6 for the number 46. So in case if you want me to make a video on finding the remainders using the Euler theorem, please do comment in the comment section below. I'll try to make another video explaining how to find the remainders using Euler theorem. So we'll solve this problem. So 358 power 358 power 46 by Euler number of 9 is 6. So 46 by 6 remainder will be how much? The remainder will be 4. So remainder. So again 9 with respect to 358, the remainder will be as 9 is divisible by 360, so I'll get minus 2 or plus 7. So 7 power 4 by 9 will be my remainder. So again 7 square, this can be split into 7 square into 7 square and divided by 9. So the remainder for 7 square will be 7 square is 49, so remainder with respect to 9 will be 4. So 4 into 4 16. So 16 again with respect to 9 remainder. Since 49 when you divide it by 9, remainder is 4. So 4 into 4 16. So 16 again by 9. So 7. So 7. So 7 is the digital sum of the number 358 power 46. If you find the digital sum of 358 power 46, it will be 7. Okay. So again, if you add 9 to this number, in exam, if a question like this is asked, if you add 9 to the number, obviously the digital sum of that number will also be 7 if you add 9 to this number. Since I said the numbers in AP with the common difference 9 will have the same digital sum.
Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you like the content, please hit a like and share the video, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. Goodbye.